Not every Roblox tip needs a 10-minute tutorial. These are a few that don't.
Here is how to make a basic stamina bar. Set up your GUI and with a progress bar and progress, a remote event, a server script in server script service, and local script inside the GUI. Now copy and paste the local script from pinned comment. Same thing with the server script. You should subscribe and like.
To pick up thing in Roblox Studio. First, make sure whatever you want to pick up has a tag, and it has a click detector. Now add a server script into server script service, and do this. And
How to make NPCs follow you in Roblox Studio. First, add a server script to server script service and name it whatever. Now copy and paste the script from the pinned comment. And
Here's
that's
how to make a basic hitbox. Add a script into your hitbox part or server script service. Now copy and paste from pinned comment. Subscribe and like for more.
I'll probably do more of these while I work on my main game.